Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine at home. So, students, let's continue with our exercise 12.2, question number 5. Now, see question number 5. What should be taken away from 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20 to obtain this? Now, the question is, what should be taken away from this? Means we are having this expression. What we should taken away means what should be subtracted, right? What should be taken away means what should be subtracted from this algebraic expression in order to obtain this expression, right? So we have done the question that when we have to subtract, when we have to do the subtraction, then which algebraic expression will come first? Now see, we will again see by making the equation. We are having this. Now we have to take something from this expression. Let us say capital X. We will take capital X from this expression in order to get minus x square minus y square plus 6xy plus 20. Right? So now we want the value of plus x. This is minus x. When I will take this minus x to the right hand side, right, it will become plus x. This is this expression. And when I will bring this algebraic expression, this full, on the left hand side, what will happen? It will be subtracted. All the terms in this algebraic expression will be subtracted, and this x will go on the right hand side. So whatever means minus this bracket, this one. So it means whatever expression we will get after the subtraction, that is our required answer. And also we have discussed that if some question comes that in which what should be subtracted, what should be taken away or what should be subtracted is one and the same thing. So when such question comes, then which expression comes first? The first written expression comes first and second expression is subtracted from the first expression, right? You can see by making the equation also in the rough or in the fair as I made just now, or you just keep it in your mind that when such question comes that what should be taken away or what should be subtracted, then in order to solve the question you have to write the first expression first, then minus the second algebraic expression. So let us solve. We will write required answer. The required algebraic expression is 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20 minus x square minus y square plus 6xy plus 20. Right? Now let us solve. 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20. Now we will open the bracket. As outside the bracket we are having negative sign, so the sign of all the terms inside the bracket will get changed. So minus into minus plus x square, minus into minus plus y square, minus into plus minus 6xy, and minus into plus minus 20. Right? Now let us solve it further. Now first of all we have to see the first term. Now 3x square. Now you have to see which is the like term. Which is the like term to 3x square. So this is 3x square and this is x square. So 3x square plus x square, it will become 4x square. You can write the like terms together and then you can write this 4x square, or you can do it in your mind also. So 3x square plus x square is 4x square. Now see the next term. minus 4y square plus y square. Now see, minus 4y square plus y square. It will be what? Like terms, minus 4, y square means 1. So minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. It is minus 3. So we will write minus 3y square. Fine. So we have done with these two terms. Now next, 5xy plus 5xy and minus 6xy. Plus 5xy minus 6xy. It will become what? It will become minus 1xy. 6 minus 5, 1, and 6 is bigger and it is with negative sign. So it will become minus 1xy. So you write 1 along with xy, or you write only xy. It is one and the same thing, right? So we are done with this. Now we are left with plus 20 minus 20. So I have told you earlier also, if one number is positive, other number, same number is negative, then we can cancel it out. So plus 20 will get cancelled with minus 20, right? So now we are not left with any term. So this is our answer. Alright. So what should be taken away or what should be subtracted is one and the same thing. And when subtracted one question comes, then you have to write the first expression minus the second expression. So we have written the first expression minus the second expression. Now as minus sign is outside the bracket, so all the sign of all the terms will get changed. So 3x square plus x square is 4x square, minus 4y square plus y square is minus 3y square, 5xy minus 6xy is minus 1xy, 20 will get cancelled with this minus 20. So this is the answer. Now see the next question. Sixth question, A part. From the sum of this and this, subtract this. So it is very much clear from the question. What is the first step? The first step is to do the addition of this algebraic expression and this. And then after adding these two algebraic expressions, whatever we will get, we have to subtract this from the sum of these two. Right? So let us solve. First step. Now students, what is the first step? Write down. Sum of 3x minus y plus 11 and minus y minus 11. So 3x minus y plus 11 plus minus y minus 11. Now let us open the bracket. 3x minus y plus 11 plus minus minus y plus minus minus 11. Now 3x. Now minus y and minus y. Now beta, these both the y are with negative sign. So minus y and minus y. It means minus 1y and minus 1y. So both the numbers are negative. It will get added up. It will become minus 2y. It will become minus 2y. Right? So minus y and minus y will become minus 2y. Plus 11 minus 11. It will get cancelled. You can only cancel the same numbers if one number is positive and other number is negative. Like here we are having both the y negative, so we cannot cut them. We have to add, right? So this is the first step in which we have added these two expressions. Now second step. What is the second step? Second step is from the sum of this and this. And what is the sum? 3x minus 2y. From this we have to subtract this expression. So the second step is 3x minus 2y minus 3x minus y minus 11. So I have told you, whenever you are doing subtraction, please put the algebraic expression which you have to subtract in the bracket. Fine. So now let us solve it. 3x minus 2y minus 3x minus minus plus y minus minus plus 11. So now let us solve it further. 3x means no sign in front, it means plus 3x. 3x minus 3x, it will get cancelled. One 3x is positive, other 3x is negative, so it will get cancelled, right? Now minus 2y plus y, minus 2y plus y, it will become minus 1y, or you can simply write y also. So minus 1y plus 11, right? Or we can write it as minus y plus 11. This is our answer, right? So let us discuss this question again. From the sum of this and this, subtract this. So first of all, we have added these two algebraic expression, 3x minus y plus 11 plus bracket minus y minus 11. After opening the bracket, the sign of these two terms will be same, as we are having plus sign outside the bracket. So 3x will remain 3x as no term of x is here. Minus y will become minus 2y plus 11 minus 11 will get cancelled. So this is the sum of these two expressions. Now we have to subtract this from its sum. So sum is this, इसमें से minus the given expression, right? So 3x minus 2y minus 3x minus minus plus y minus minus plus 11. 3x will get cancelled with 3x. Minus 2y plus y is minus y plus 11. And we can write it as minus y plus 11. So this is our answer. So students, these were the two questions which we have discussed today. Go through the questions properly and do it in your fair notebook. Take care. Thank you.